Seth, the InFORM, it's a new type of preform.
It is. The InFORM is a departure from standard bulk solder. The addition of a matrix that resides in the joint that doesn't reflow is definitely a differentiator.
Okay, what is the application for the InFORM?
The InFORM was developed specifically for standoff control for power electronics. So where people are attaching a substrate to a base plate, large area soldering can actually increase die tilt, or I should say substrate tilt. Mm-hmm. So those areas of stress concentration lead to delamination during operation. So you take a hit in reliability.
Oh, yeah.
So the InFORM was originally designed for that, but after further development, it adds something else to the equation as well.
So let's talk about the composition of the InFORM and how is it different and how does it aid in these areas?
The InFORM is presented to the joint along with the solder at the same time. The entire thing is reflowed. Mm-hmm. The matrix actually develops an intermetallic relationship with the bulk solder, thereby making it a composite material mm-hmm. that is stronger. So creep resistance and reliability can be increased 2 to 4x.
So we have the advantages of much improved planarity.
Yep.
And also obviously better control with regard to thermal coefficient of expansion.
The addition of the matrix is actually a strengthening component. So the development of other geometries are allowing us to get into the die level attach as well, and thereby allowing for strengthening in the joint there.
What size ranges do the InFORMs come in?
That's a really good question. We provide 6 different geometries, Z direction thicknesses, all the way from 8 mils down to 3 mils. The other component of geometry of the matrix is the density. And that really is a discussion that needs to be had on a case-to-case basis depending on the customer's needs.
Okay. Adding these to the board, the application, how is that accomplished?
Essentially the same way that it would be accomplished with a regular solder. The beauty of the InFORM is the fact that it's a drop-in replacement. Other methods of standoff control require either equipment or redesigns of base plates or substrates, building in a standoff into the material. So tape and reel, mm-hmm. Waffled pack, tray pack. We also, for the power electronics industry, one of the main methods of presenting solder to the joint is cutting ribbon. And there's equipment out there that does it. The InFORM comes as a ribbon as well. So these are drop-in replacement offerings.
Seth, where can we find out more information on InFORMs?
Of course, you can always go to indium.com or contact me directly, shomer@indium.com.
Seth, thank you so very much.
Thank you.